chart-topping hits and given them a classical twist. Their dozens of videos have received over 225 million views online. They've got a brand new CD. It's called The Piano Guys Volume 2. Would you please welcome John Schmidt and Stephen Nelson, the Piano Guys.
Thank you. Thanks so much, everybody.
Stephen, you guys started out doing some of these YouTube videos, and it just took off like crazy. What was the genesis of the Piano Guys?
You know, it started out as a piano store, and Paul Anderson, the store owner, wanted to promote the sales of piano in a unique way. So he started this YouTube channel called The Piano Guys and started recruiting musicians to play songs to promote the sales of his pianos.
And it took off like crazy.
Yeah, it was wonderful. It was, we started selling less and less pianos, and all of a sudden we were making more and more videos,
John, are you surprised at how YouTube has turned something like what you guys do into an international event?
Yeah, all I can say is YouTube works. Suddenly we're touring all over the world, and we're just a couple of dads. I mean, they call us cul-de-sac cool, because we kind of pull up to the show in our decked-out minivan,
What are you going to do for us today, John?
We're going to do a little Rolling in the Deep version that we did with a little bit of Jupiter from Holst.
Which, by the way, this particular cut has already received well over 12 million views on YouTube. Pretty phenomenal.
Thank you.
Let's hear it.
All right.
Thank you guys so very much for being here. We love it. Hope people will get the music at Amazon or on iTunes. Remember the Piano Guys. Hey, and thanks for joining us. We're glad to have you here. Hope you have a wonderful week. Until next time, from New York, this is Mike Huckabee. Good night.